Hi friends, this is Aman Agarwal and I am back with a daily analysis video. And as you can see, markets fall immediately and tried to recover, and Nifty closed in a range of 16,520 to 16,480. So if Nifty sustains above 16,520, then we may see rally till 16,600, and the rally may continue till 650 to 675 if Nifty sustains above 16,600. But in case Nifty breaks 16,480, then we may see a fall till 16,400, that is today's day low, and below 16,400 we may see Nifty going till 16,360. And now let's see Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed near a support, and if Bank Nifty breaks 35,240 on the upside, we may see Bank Nifty going till 35,400 to 450, and you can go short on Bank Nifty below 35,000 since it is a round level, and you may see 34,800 to 34,600 levels coming. The first target should be placed at 34,800, and in case 34,800 is broken, then the fall will continue till 34,600. And now let's see stocks for tomorrow. And the first stock is Axis Bank. Axis Bank closed below the support of 740, and the next support is around 714. So you can short Axis Bank with a stop loss at 750 for the targets of 714 positionally. But if you are trading intraday, then you should place SL above 740, and you may see 1:2 risk reward ratio coming tomorrow. And now next stock is Hcl Tech. Hcl Tech closed above breakout level, and Hcl Tech may go till 1200 rupees, and the stop loss should be placed below the stop loss should be placed below 1150. The Hcl Tech broke this level and closed above that, so Hcl Tech is looking good. And that's all for today's video, friends. So if you like my video, please share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also the account opening link is given in description. You can open your trading account with us using that link. So subscribe to my channel, and this is Aman Agarwal signing off. Thank you.